Hi, today I want to show you this small puzzle from eBay. Small instruction here. And this is the handheld mouse using a trackball here. And there's a scrolling wheel, left and right button, and here is also another button. I guess this is a left click, so you can hold on it and drag something by rolling this ball. This is not very cheap compared to a wireless optical mouse. The electronics should be the same. And I also noticed this one is not very good. You have to turn it on and off. This is my old one. I have been using it for 7 years or so. I bought this one because of this button is broken. But the good thing is this one hasn't got a power button. It's switched off automatically after a certain idle time. And I have very good experience. The battery lasts quite long. So it actually turned off. This is also very hard to open. There's a battery inside. I never bought anything come with battery. It looks like this is a second hand. Someone has returned. Eventually I found a USB receiver somewhere deep inside the bag. I thought I need to write to the seller because I couldn't find it. And now it's time to test it. So I've connected the USB receiver to my entertainment PC. I'm using Windows 7 and somehow it took a while to recognize my dongle. Now you can see the trackball is working. And the button here, this is the left click, and on top here the left one is the laser pointer. And on top here, this button is the enter button. So if I select something and press this button, then it will launch. And these two buttons down here, they are both the same. They are the right click button, so it's the context menu, and here's the view to scroll, and that's all about the buttons. So my verdict, I have chosen this one this time because I missed the scrolling wheel on the old one a lot when I am using the browser surfing the net. And this is a plus of the new one, but there's a main concern with the switch here. Unlike the old one, it doesn't switch off automatically, so I have to turn it on and off, and I don't believe this mini switch can last very long. And the other thing is the enter button here. I don't think it's useful. I rather have an escape button like the old one, which I use a lot. Other than that, it's okay. At the moment, I have to get used to it. And I hope the switch can last a little bit longer than I predict. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye!